against the security of the country. Even sometimes your devices can be against the security of the country. They can be used for performing various cyber terrorism is there. Cyber terrorist activities can be performed using your devices. Means if a device is compromised and when the investigating agencies investigate, it will be your device that will be used by the what we call hackers or other country, if it's country to country. Again, fake oximeter applications were there. When there was medical emergency, everyone was using the oximeter to check their oxygen level. Everyone was using now. If you have been finding out that I am finding out some symptoms, I should use a oximeter. And the oximeter, it was used. It was black in market. The cost of this oximeter, it had gone many folds. Had it gone many folds or not? It was not available in the market. So what the cyber fraudsters, scammers, they have done, they were using this technique that they come up with the application, they come with the third-party apps, saying that your devices, smartphones can be used as an oximeter. And once you install these apps into your devices, into your smart devices, your device gets compromised. Even your devices, when it gets compromised, your fingerprints, your biometric can be taken by the fraudsters, scammers, and it can be misused. It can be misused. So a smartphone can never work as an oximeter because an oximeter has an SpO2 blood sensor, and it's only some smartwatches are there which can work as an oximeter, and some what we call instruments, we call them oximeter, and your devices can, no smartphone is there which can act as an oximeter.